Here's a bike update. This is my 2008 CBR600RR. I've done a little bit of work on it so far. From the last time, I've ended up changing these levers. I ended up getting this clip on, and I ended up changing that also. Then this kickstand I also changed. I ended up changing both sides of this foot peg. Put on the rear plastic already and put on a different rear cover. The exhaust right here, I took off the end because it had corrosion on it, and I'm going to end up painting it. I also did a fender eliminator kit from that bulky fender eliminator, all the lights and license plate lights. Now it's all this small little strip. Then it has the bracket and for the license plate and the light. I took off the frame sliders. Ended up taking off all this and replacing this plastic piece. We've got the speedometer already on it. We got a new one of these lights. We got two brand new headlights also. This whole piece was also bought. And then this duct was also bought inside there. Put a new battery in it. It has 15,777 miles. This is all mounted already. All I gotta do is just put on the plastics. Here's what it sounds like. It runs good now. I'm gonna have to change the oil because I don't know when the guy changed it. Changed most likely the radiator fluid also because I don't know when it's been changed. Then I got the rest of the plastics to put on, which is these side ones underneath, this front one right there, and then this whole front cowl also I got to put on, and then just bolt everything down. I think this bike's finished.